You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you pronounce this character name from monster? Well, there are two different ways of pronouncing it. The Shaman King. That would be more the British English pronunciation of the word shaman. But in American English, it is said as Shaman, the Shaman King. And I think for this character, the shaman is more popular pronunciation, more common. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.